The day of my bar mitzvah came, and I invited some of my Christian school friends. And I started my Haftorah. And my hands were clasped behind my back. And my dad came along at one point and he brushed them, slapped them aside, and said, "Kit nishkit." I said, yeah, you're right. Yeah. But in the middle of my performance, then I went on and I got into a very high tenor and was reciting very fast. And either my uncle came along or my dad and said, "Zu schnell, zu schnell." So I did it all. It was a harrowing experience. We had the big lunch afterwards where the gifts were bestowed. And everybody had lunch in the basement of the shul. And then as we prepared to go home, and I'm loading up all the gifts in a big, huge cardboard box, and I turned to my dad and said, "Dad, look at all the gifts I got." And he said, "You son of a bitch." And he cursed me. And I realized I had failed. The prize pupil had failed. The stigma was intense. I finished packing the gifts and brought them home. But I think it probably turned me into an actor. Having failed my first performance, I was determined to make better. I guess I'm still trying.